Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best AI side hustle apps in 2025 that can help you make money online with automation. Whether you're into freelancing, content creation, or passive income, these AI tools can give you a head start. Let's get into it. 1. Hustle AI, AI powered freelancing. Hustle AI helps you create and sell AI generated blog posts, ad copy, videos, and images. Offer these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, turning AI automation into cash. 2. Profit Gen, AI business automation. Profit Gen automates social media management, email marketing, and chatbot services, enabling you to manage multiple clients and earn passive income. Side Genius, AI digital product creator. Side Genius lets you create and sell AI-powered ebooks, artwork, and online courses without needing technical skills. 4. Task AI, AI-powered microtasks. Earn money by completing simple AI-assisted tasks like proofreading, transcription, and chatbot training, perfect for quick cash. 5. Autofluence, AI social media growth. Autofluence automates social media content creation, scheduling, and engagement to help influencers grow their accounts and monetize faster. These AI side hustle apps are perfect for making money in 2025. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI money making tips. See you in the next one.